Opa, say hi to the people.
Oh, hey, hi people. Trying out my new snowshoes.
We're baking cookies and he's trying out his new snowshoes. Very crunchy snow.
Wow, that was easy.
He's gonna fill my bird feeders for me. Always hopeful something's gonna fall on the floor, huh, Percy? Here's the Heffen Kranz. We braided it and now it's just raising a little bit. I have it next to the oven with the door open so it gets a little heat. We're ready for lunch. We've been working all morning. Here's the soup. Probably just turn that really down low. Here, we're making the Sringerle now. Got my dough rolled out and Oma's dough. Whose was this, Oma?
That was my mom's.
Do you know how she came about it?
No,
She just always had it.
I don't know the story behind that.
And this is a friend. This is your neighbor's.
Yes.
She's letting us borrow. Okay.
No.
It's been a very busy day here today. Oma and Opa just left. Oma and I made 3 kinds of Christmas goodies. We made the Lebkuchen. The recipe made over 100 Lebkuchen. That usually is something I enjoy more after Christmas, and I think the Lebkuchen only gets better with age. So we have 100 of them. We also did the Sringerle, which is a German, it's the white cookie that has the picture on the top. That's using molds, the different molds. I used my grandma's rolling pin, and we also had a pin from a neighbor. We had a stamp from our mold, I should say, from a neighbor of Oma and Opa's they shared that with us, so that was fun to use. And now those cookies are going to sit overnight and dry a little before I bake them off in the morning, because you want to let them dry so that the impression stays and it doesn't bake away. So still have to finish those. We also made the Heffen Kranz, which is the German wreath. And that didn't rise as well as we wanted it to, but it tasted good nonetheless. And that's it. We had a great day.